Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll see how to grow the mango plant, the seed germination process, the climate it requires, planting and nutrients. So let's start off with the benefits of the mango fruit. The mango fruit has anti-cancer properties, it supports healthy skin, it benefits your hair, it improves your digestion and boosts immunity as it contains vitamin C, zinc and vitamin B6. What is the right temperature to grow the mango plant? The annual mean temperature at which mango thrives best is around 26.7 degrees Celsius, which is 80.06 degrees Fahrenheit. The right soil to grow the mango plant? The loamy, alluvial and aerated soil are ideal for mango cultivation. Also, soil rich in organic matter will give you a good yield. Cultivation. There are many hundreds of named mango cultivars. Some of the most famous types of mangoes in India are Alfonso, Kesar, Chaunsa, Banganpalle and Dasheri. Now let's hear some interesting facts about the mango. Mangoes first appeared in India over 5000 years ago. Their trees can grow up to 100 feet with a canopy of over 35 feet. Trees can still bear fruit after 300 years. India is the largest producer of the fruit, followed by China and Thailand. There are over 500 varieties throughout the world. Now, let's start the germination process. To start the germination process, you'll have to take some naturally ripened mangoes. You can see some mangoes that I have taken here. Once you take the mangoes, you'll have to cut them and take out the seed from inside. So, let's start cutting the mangoes. Once you have removed all the flesh around the seed, what you're seeing right now is the hard outer covering inside which the seed is protected. So to get the seed which we are going to germinate, we will have to cut this outer covering. So slowly cut the edge of this outer covering so that we can get the seed. Now, take a knife and start splitting the seed into half. While you're splitting the seed into half, be careful of your fingers and be careful not to damage the inner seed. Now to split the seed, you'll need some manpower as the outer covering is very hard. Now, once you split the outer covering, you can see you'll get a seed like this as I'm showing you. You can remove this black skin around the seed, and this is the seed that we are going to germinate. Once you have separated the hard outer covering from the inner seed, it's time we start the germination process. You can remove all the black skin around the seed. Once you have done that, we'll need to create a humidified chamber. So, take a plastic box and lay a tissue paper over it. Sprinkle some water on the tissue paper. Now lay the seeds on the tissue paper one by one. Once you have done that, lay another tissue paper over the seeds and sprinkle some water on them. Once you have done that, close the box and store it in a cool and a dry place. After 1 week from when we started the germination process, you can see that the roots would have come out from the seeds. Here you can see the roots as I'm showing you. The roots have come out well for all the 3 seeds. Now as of the leaves and the part of the plant above the soil, they will appear from this gap. Here in the seed, you can see the gap that I'm showing you. You can also see some small leaves that are coming out. So now you can close the box and leave the box for another week. After 2 weeks from when we started the germination process, you can see that the roots have grown much bigger. You can see the roots that they have grown very big now. So now as the roots have grown bigger, we can lay them in the soil. So take 3 pots or 3 cups, fill them with soil and take the seed and lay them in the soil as I'm showing you. Once you have laid the seed in the soil, take some more soil and cover the seed. Once you have sown all the seeds in the soil, just water them a little bit. And now all the seeds are ready to grow into a plant. After 1 month from when we planted the seed, the plant has grown this tall. And after 6 months it will grow this big with many leaves. After 6 months, you can take the plant and put it in the soil.